This video shows the cabinet assembly of the ABB ACS480 general purpose drive. The design of the ACS480 drive is optimized for cabinet installation. The drive can be mounted side by side to save even more space, since free space is required only above and below the drives. Make sure air circulation is considered carefully. The assistant control panel will be mounted on the cabinet door using the DPMP-02 mounting platform. The control panel can also be mounted using screws. The mounting platform packaging contains an installation guide with specific instructions. Next, we route the control cable through the locking nut and the mounting platform hole. Tighten the locking nut by turning it clockwise. Connect the cable to the control panel and attach the panel to the mounting platform. We use an RDUM01 blank panel to connect the drive to the assistant control panel. An RJ45 control cable is connected to the blank panel and the panel is mounted on the drive. Secure the control cable, for example with a cable tie, to avoid mechanical stress on the panel connector. Adjust the length of the cable and secure it safely inside the cabinet. Leave some loose cable for opening the cabinet door or removing the control panel. After securing the control cable, close the cabinet door. The ACS480 drive is now mounted inside the cabinet and ready for commissioning. Control panel door mounting enables easy operation since there is no need to open the cabinet. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.